Irish MPs want to criminalise trade with Israeli settlements, but before the question should they, first there's the question may they.
The bill asks the state to do something which we do not have in our power. Measures of the nature proposed in this bill would be contrary to EU law.
The Irish government is against banning the import of Israeli settlement products. It's not against the principle, but it's begging MPs not to pass a law that could expose Ireland to lawsuits.
We are not in a position to raise a barrier and declare that goods legally available elsewhere in the EU cannot be brought into Ireland for sale. Passage of this bill would therefore be a breach of European law and expose Ireland potentially to legal action.
The Irish government received legal advice from the Attorney General saying the bill is illegal, but it's refusing to make that advice public, claiming it's confidential and refusing to waive that privilege. And MPs from the Fine Gael party were shown the legal advice, but asked not to share it. But the bill's sponsors are sure the law is on their side.
Ireland is entitled to end its support to what the EU itself says are violations of international law. It's simply saying that if we are sure certain goods have been produced as a result of war crimes, we should not be trading in them.
And they have a heavyweight in their corner. James Crawford, a sitting judge at the International Court of Justice in The Hague, who represented the Palestinians in their case over the West Bank separation barrier. And I24 News has obtained his legal opinion, which supporters are using to defend the bill. It says Israel's settlements are a war crime, and trading with them could count as aiding a breach of international law. It says states can ban settlement goods on public policy grounds. The boycott bill still has to jump through several hoops and could be watered down. But Irish lawmakers want to send a clear message against Israeli settlements. Will they heed their government's warnings or risk lawsuits and trust their defence is strong enough to win? Eylon Levy, I24 News.